Google Maps launched a new layer. I think you're going to be interested to hear about this. A new layer on the Maps app. You know how you can go in there and you can click and then you would have terrain or you would have satellite or you would have standard. There's a new layer now where you can have COVID on it.
Oh.
You can see the regions where the COVID is spiking on a layer inside of Google Maps.
Is it working right now?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh.
And if you scroll down, you can actually get well, it's rolling out right now to iOS and Android users this week. So I don't know when you're going to see it on your app. I don't know what the rollout looks like. But the layer color codes areas by the 7-day average for the number of new cases per 100,000 people. And it shows if the cases are trending up or down. So there you can see in the States, you have a county which is trending up right next to a county that's trending down. Like 32.2 versus 2.8. And that's how many cases per 100,000. That's a big difference.
Yeah, that's good to know.
So it's a kind of cool little feature that they put together. And let's be honest, man. A lot of times, people are just lacking the information. If they knew I'm about to hit a restaurant and you live in between these two counties, because you just, maybe you were going to do it in a safe way, you still might consider, I'm not going to go to the hotspot right now. And what happens if fewer people go to the hotspot? Well, then the transmission goes down and the thing gets stifled to a certain degree. So this is cool how technology can interface here. Everyone has maps.
Yeah.
And so I'm waiting to see this pop up on mine as well. I want to see if around here is supported as well, or if it's US only. I'm not really sure at this moment. Right. I wonder if it actually says here, Google Maps country level data in 220 countries and territories. There's also state, county, and city level where data is available. So we're going to have to wait and see which regions are supported, and you will too if you pop this open on your app. But keep an eye out for that extra layer. It's the layer button, by the way. I'm pointing at Will's screen. Hopefully, maybe he can hover his mouse over it. It's the layer button right there where you would normally click to pick the satellite image or something like that. You're going to pick the COVID button. It's kind of cool.